Juicing offers several benefits, including increased nutrient intake. This allows you to consume a large quantity of fruits and vegetables in a single serving. Juices are easier to digest than whole foods, especially for individuals with digestive issues. In this video, we'll be making 3 refreshing juicing recipes that will boost your immunity, reduce inflammation, and enhance your overall health. Watermelon ginger lime juice is a refreshing and nutritious beverage that offers several health benefits. Lycopene, a potent antioxidant found in watermelon, effectively neutralizes free radicals. This reduction in oxidative stress is pivotal in preventing cellular damage and decelerating the aging process. Vitamin C, another potent antioxidant found in watermelon, supports the immune system and aids in collagen production, contributing to healthy skin and joints. Regular consumption of these antioxidants can lower the risk of developing chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. Limes are a great source of vitamin C, which helps boost the immune system and fight off infections. They also contain antioxidants that protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Additionally, lime juice can aid in digestion and relieve symptoms of indigestion and bloating. Ginger has natural compounds such as gingerol, have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects, which help in fighting off infections and boosting immunity. By stimulating the production of white blood cells, ginger can fortify the body's defense mechanisms against pathogens. Additionally, its antioxidant properties aid in shielding immune cells from free radical damage. Watermelon and ginger juice act as natural detoxifiers for the body. The high water content in watermelon helps flush out toxins from the kidneys and liver, promoting better organ function. Ginger enhances this detoxification effect by improving digestion and circulation, which further aids in toxin elimination. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties can also help manage inflammatory gut diseases like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Regular consumption of these juices supports the body's natural detoxification processes, leading to improved overall health. I store my juice in a 16-ounce glass juice bottle with an airtight lid. In this next recipe, we'll be making pineapple, mango, and a lemon juice. Pineapple is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapple, helps reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms associated with conditions like arthritis. Beyond its anti-inflammatory effects, pineapple is also a rich source of vitamin C, which supports the immune system and helps fight off infections. Pineapple's bromelain also aids in digestion by breaking down the proteins and enhancing nutrient absorption. Furthermore, due to its antioxidant and other compounds, pineapple can potentially reduce the risk of cancer. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which helps fight infections and supports immune function. Lemon juice stimulates digestive enzymes and supports gut health. Additionally, lemon juice protects against cell damage and oxidative stress. It can also boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. Mangoes are packed with essential nutrients, especially vitamins A and C, which support immune function, eye health, and skin health. They also have remarkable antioxidant properties that protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Mangoes are particularly beneficial for eye health due to their high vitamin A content, which protects against age-related macular degeneration and night blindness. They may also help regulate blood sugar levels due to their fiber and antioxidant content, making them valuable for individuals with diabetes or those looking to maintain stable blood sugar. Mangoes also contain calcium, vitamin K, and other minerals that contribute to bone health and prevent osteoporosis. Additionally, their anti-inflammatory compounds can help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms associated with conditions like arthritis. The last juice we're making is a carrot orange ginger juice. Carrots are packed with vitamin A and vitamin K. It also contains carotenoids, plant compounds, that act as antioxidants. Carrots are rich in vitamin C, which helps strengthen the immune system. They are rich in beta-carotene, which promotes good vision and reduces the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Carrots protect cells from damage, reducing inflammation and the risk of chronic diseases. Their potassium content can help lower blood pressure. Oranges are a powerhouse of essential nutrients, including vitamin C, potassium, and folate, which are crucial for maintaining overall health. They boost over 60 flavonoids and carotenoids that combat oxidative stress, reducing inflammation and safeguarding against chronic diseases. With an impressive 88% water content, orange juice provides excellent hydration, complemented by electrolytes. Consuming oranges regularly can significantly boost immune function, aiding in the fight against infections. Moreover, the potassium and antioxidants in oranges contribute to a better heart health by regulating blood pressure and improving cholesterol levels. This juice is not only refreshing, but the combination of ginger, oranges, and carrots will boost your immunity, support digestive health, reduce inflammation, and has antioxidant benefits. I'm using a cold pressed juicer that I bought off of Amazon. Cold pressed juicers extract juice without heat, minimizing oxidation and preserving nutrients. The slow, gentle process helps retain delicate enzymes, vitamins, and minerals. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos on juicing, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.